Hello and welcome to the IT Hub, a website designed especially for IT students with the goal of providing them with all the information related to IT field in one place. First step after visiting our website is registration. After signing up, students will be provided with interactive dashboards giving a bird's-eye view of the events and job market in Ireland. The Events tab gives students insights about meetup data. Here he can find out what are the most popular IT groups in Ireland. These groups are conducting events, and here we can see the most popular events happening in Ireland, such as Learn Google Design Sprints. Jobs tab helps students gain broad vision of the Irish market. Here you can find out what skills are in high demand, and as we can see, Java, C# and Python are the most required. Here we can see, by the saturation of the color, the number of jobs available across different counties in Ireland. Dublin, being an IT hub of Europe, has the most opportunities, followed by Cork and Galway. People pursuing career in IT need to keep up with the latest technologies. Here, on News tab, students can see the most trending tech topics across multiple news portals. We can see that Bitcoin is quite popular. But let's suppose IT student is interested in Python development and is located in Dublin. He can drill down his search by selecting this, and on the Events tab, he will be provided with a list of recommended events. When selecting a particular event, student will see some event details, as well as additional skills he will enhance by attending that event. By navigating to the Jobs tab, the student will see a list of open job positions requiring Python knowledge. In addition, he will be provided with information given by the employees, such as average salary, interview difficulty, work-life balance, and so on. These job insights will help students make more educated decisions when starting their career. On selecting the News tab, the student can see news regarding Python coming from over 700 news portals. He can learn more about Python by reading some of these articles. And finally, the student can view live Twitter feed related to Python topic. So to summarize, IT Hub helps students save time. Instead of visiting multiple websites such as Glassdoor, Meetup, news portals, and Twitter, students can find all that information at one place, IT Hub. In addition, students will gain general overview of the Irish job market, events happening, and popular news topics via interactive dashboards. Thank you.